Hi everyone. We are in the midst of a blizzard. This is the blizzard of 2017. It's crazy out there. Today's a very unique day because the facility where I work is closed. For those of you that don't know, I work in healthcare and nothing ever closes. So I get to spend a lovely day home, nice and toasty warm. I'm not traveling in this crazy weather. I mean, look at this. I'm going to show you the RV, which is up the back. Can you see? The snow is up to and past the bottom of the RV. And what you have to understand is the RV is up on jacks. So the snow is really crazy deep. It's all blowing into, you can't even see the rug, like it's just blowing everywhere. So I am thrilled that I am home and nice and warm. So I hope you all stay safe too.